As an artist, one needs to do the most important work of tapping within. While you're working with tangible materials, what I'm speaking about is something that is intangible. Because truthfully speaking, the physical is not very different from the psychic, the cultural, and the social need for wholeness, centering, and balance. Many years ago, it was a bit difficult for me to tap into strengths on both sides of my brain, one which embraces the sacred, the spiritual, the aesthetic, and the other side, which is more logical and structural. But I've come to find a right balance, and I thank the Spirit for understanding my higher purpose and calling, but mostly a sense of an inner knowledge of myself. To construct a great pyramid, one has to work incredibly focused, carefully and steadily, step by step, towards reaching the pinnacle at the top. And when I say pyramid, I use that word metaphorically as well. These lessons I also learned from master artists whom I've had the distinct honor of working under their guidance, such as Ella Natsui, who is pictured here, as well as Odili Donald Odita.